Hello viewers, for this video I have prepared and compiled 20 MCQs from the topic bleeding disorders. So let's start. Question 1. Bleeding time is prolonged in A. Von Willebrand disease, B. Vitamin K deficiency, C. Hemophilia A, D. Hemophilia B. The correct option is A. Von Willebrand disease. The most important hemostatic function of von Willebrand factor is to promote the adhesion of platelets to the subendothelial matrix. Bleeding time is prolonged in von Willebrand disease. Question 2. True about Glanzmann thrombasthenia is A. Defective platelet adhesion, B. Defective platelet aggregation, C. Defect in fibrinogen, D. Defective release reaction. The correct option is B. Defective platelet aggregation. In Glanzmann thrombasthenia, bleeding occurs due to defective platelet aggregation. There is deficiency or dysfunction of glycoprotein 2B3A, an integrin that participates in bridge formation between platelets by binding fibrinogen. Question 3. All are vitamin K dependent except A. Factor 2, B. Factor 7, C. Protein C, D. Factor 4. The correct option is D. Factor 4. Vitamin K deficiency impairs the synthesis of factors 2, 7, 9, 10 and protein C. Question 4. Giant platelets are seen in all except A. Bernard-Soulier syndrome, B. Gray platelet syndrome, C. Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome, D. Myelodysplastic syndrome. The correct option is C. Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome. It is characterized by severe eczema, thrombocytopenia, recurrent infections. The platelets are small in size. Question 5. Ristocetin test in von Willebrand disease shows A. Increased agglutination, B. Decreased agglutination, C. Normal agglutination, D. No agglutination. The correct option is B. Decreased agglutination. The plasma level of active von Willebrand factor measured as the ristocetin cofactor activity is reduced in von Willebrand disease. Von Willebrand factor function is assessed using the ristocetin agglutination test. It is performed by adding patient plasma to normal formalin-fixed platelets in the presence of ristocetin, a small molecule that binds and activates von Willebrand factor. Ristocetin induces multivalent von Willebrand factor multimers to bind platelet glycoprotein 1b9 and form interplatelet bridges. The resultant clumping or agglutination of platelets reflects the von Willebrand factor activity of the sample. Question 6. Patients with hemophilia A have A. Prolonged PTT and normal PT, B. Prolonged PT and normal PTT, C. Both PT and PTT are prolonged, D. Both PT and PTT are normal. The correct option is A. Prolonged PTT and normal PT. Hemophilia A is the most common hereditary disease associated with life-threatening bleeding and is caused by mutation in factor 8, an essential cofactor for factor 9 in the coagulation cascade. Patients with hemophilia A have prolonged PTT and a normal PT, results that point to an abnormality of the intrinsic coagulation pathway. Question 7. Thrombocytopenia due to increased platelet destruction is seen in A. Myelodysplastic syndrome, B. Aplastic anemia, C. Megaloblastic anemia, D. B-cell lymphoid neoplasms. The correct option is D. B-cell lymphoid neoplasms. In myelodysplastic syndrome, aplastic anemia, megaloblastic anemia, there is decreased production of platelets. In B-cell lymphoid neoplasms, decreased platelet survival or increased destruction of platelets is seen. Question 8. Antibodies in ITP are A. IgG, B. IgM, C. IgE, D. IgD. The correct option is A. IgG. In majority of ITP cases, the antiplatelet antibodies are of the IgG class. Question 9. True about hemophilia A is A. Caused by mutation in factor 9, B. X-linked recessive disorder. C. Affects mainly males and heterozygous females. D. Petechia are present. The correct option is B. X-linked recessive disorder. Hemophilia A is the most common hereditary disease associated with life-threatening bleeding and is caused by mutation in factor VIII. Hemophilia A is inherited as X-linked recessive trait and thus affects mainly males and homozygous females. In all symptomatic cases, there is tendency towards easy bruising and massive hemorrhage after trauma or operative procedures. Petechia are characteristically absent. Question 10. All are true about thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura except A. Microangiopathic hemolytic anemia, B. Thrombocytopenia, C. Prolonged PT and PTT, D. Transient neurologic deficits. The correct option is C. Prolonged PT and PTT. Although disseminated intravascular coagulation and thrombotic microangiopathies share features such as microvascular occlusion, microangiopathic hemolytic anemia, but they are pathologically distinct. In TTP, which is thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, and HUS, which is hemolytic uremic syndrome. Unlike in DIC, activation of coagulation cascade is not of primary importance, and hence laboratory tests of coagulation such as PT and PTT are usually normal. Question 11. Defect in Bernard-Soulier syndrome lies in A. Glycoprotein 1b9, B. Glycoprotein 3a, 2b, C. Glycoprotein 2a, 3b, D. Glycoprotein 3b, 2a. The correct option is A. Glycoprotein 1b9. Bernard-Soulier syndrome is an autosomal recessive disorder caused by inherited deficiency of the platelet membrane glycoprotein complex 1b9. This glycoprotein is a receptor for von Willebrand factor and is essential for normal platelet adhesion to the subendothelial extracellular matrix. Affected patients have variable, often severe bleeding tendency. Question 12. Hemolytic uremic syndrome is characterized by all except A. Deficiency of von Willebrand factor metalloprotease, B. Thrombocytopenia, C. Acute renal failure, D. Microangiopathic hemolytic anemia. The correct option is deficiency of von Willebrand factor metalloprotease. Thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura is caused by deficiency in a plasma enzyme called ADAMTS13, also designated von Willebrand factor metalloprotease. This enzyme degrades very high molecular weight multimers of von Willebrand factor. In its absence, large multimers accumulate in plasma and tend to promote spontaneous platelet activation and aggregation. Question 13. All are required causes of platelet function disorders except A. Storage pool deficiency, B. PNH, C. Uremia, D. Myelodysplastic syndrome. The correct option is A. Storage pool deficiency. It is an important cause of inherited disorders of platelet function. Question 14. Which is not associated with DIC? A. Prolonged PT and APTT, B. Thrombocytopenia, C. Hyperfibrinogenemia, D. Increased fibrin degradation products. The correct option is C. Hyperfibrinogenemia. Quantitation of fibrinogen reveals hypofibrinogenemia in disseminated intravascular coagulation. Question 15. Oral anticoagulant therapy is monitored by A. PT, B. APTT, C. Bleeding time, D. Thrombin time. The correct option is A. PT. Oral anticoagulant therapy is regularly monitored by prothrombin time and the result is reported as ratio of PT of patient to PT of control. Question 16. Prolonged APTT is seen in all except A. Inherited deficiency of factor VIII, B. DIC, C. Liver disease, D. Inherited deficiency of factor VII. The correct option is D. Inherited deficiency of factor VII. APTT is increased in inherited deficiency of coagulation factor in intrinsic or common pathway. Factor 7 is coagulation factor in extrinsic pathway and its deficiency causes prolonged PT. Question 17. Most common inheritance pattern of von Willebrand disease is A. Autosomal dominant, B. Autosomal recessive, C. X-linked recessive, D. X-linked dominant. The correct option is A. Autosomal dominant. Type 1 von Willebrand disease, an autosomal dominant disorder characterized by mild to moderate von Willebrand factor deficiency, accounts for about 70% of all cases. Question 18. A 36 years old female presents with easy bruisability, history of excessive menstrual flow, nose bleeds for past 1 year. On examination, petechia on skin and mucous membranes are present. Her BT is prolonged. PT and PTT are normal. The possible diagnosis is A. Chronic ITP, B. Von Willebrand disease, C. DIC, D. Hemophilia. The correct option is A. Chronic ITP. The above findings reflect isolated thrombocytopenia. Only BT is prolonged, PT and PTT are normal. Chronic ITP occurs most commonly in adult women younger than 40 years of age. The female to male ratio is 3:1. Question 19. Both BT and APTT are prolonged in A. ITP, B. Bernard-Soulier syndrome, C. Hemophilia, D. Von Willebrand disease. The correct option is D. Von Willebrand disease. Patients with von Willebrand disease have defects in platelet function despite having normal platelet counts. The plasma level of active von Willebrand factor measured as the ristocetin cofactor activity is reduced. Because the deficiency of von Willebrand factor decreases the stability of factor 8, this results in prolonged PTT. Question 20. Qualitative defect in von Willebrand factor is seen in A. Type 1 von Willebrand disease, B. Type 2 von Willebrand disease, C. Type 3 von Willebrand disease, D. All of the above. The correct option is B. Type 2 von Willebrand disease. Type 2 von Willebrand disease is characterized by qualitative defects in von Willebrand factor. There are several subtypes of which type 2A is the most common. It is inherited as autosomal dominant disorder. Von Willebrand factor is expressed in normal amounts but missense mutations are present that lead to defective multimer assembly. As a result, large and intermediate sized multimers, the most active forms of von Willebrand factor, are missing from plasma. Type 2 von Willebrand disease accounts for 25% of all cases and is associated with mild to moderate bleeding. I hope this was useful. For more such videos and video lectures, please subscribe my YouTube channel and do not forget to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.